So staying in shape when you're plus 40 or plus 35 or something like that, it becomes something like a struggle. And myself, the two things that I struggle the most are abs and legs. I do have some good results. Of course, this is not the only thing I do. I go to the gym, I do cardio, I take care of how I eat sometimes as well. But I gotta say that this machine helped me a lot. I have some good results. And this is always sitting in my home gym inside of my house, but I put it outside so you can see better with better lighting. But this one's, yeah, the good thing about this one is how easy it is to use, just like this. So this is how you should kind of like bring your abs or your knees actually to your chest, and that is going to give you a really nice core workout. That's the thing you need when you're working out abs. It has a few other things, for example, a holder right here for a tablet or your phone, so you can kind of like binge watch a TV show or something like that if you want. And also have right here a display. So this display over here, you can actually check how many reps you're making, how many calories, and for how long. So that is really good. It also comes with a really nice pad over here on the knee support, as well as right here for your shoulders and right here for your hands. So the proper way for regular abs, just point your tushy that way and just go wild. And you can change the intensity over here, the height right here, you can change it with the pin, but also you can do some other things. Like for example, I'm gonna actually do this one right now. So you can put this. This is one of the hard ones. It is one of the hard ones. And you can also go on the side as well. This is the one, kind of like put this right here on the side. And go this way. I gotta say, this is gonna give you a really nice new perspective in how you train your abs, besides the usual contraptions or the usual 90 degrees or the usual leg elevations. Those are the ones that I mostly do. But this one, it gave me a new perspective in how to train my abs. And yeah, kind of like taking the knees up is one of the best things to do. Super resistant, really easy to use, really easy to assemble, support everywhere, and of course you can change the intensity. And if you want, put your phone and just binge that favorite TV episode you like so much. Whew.